Hi. So if you're interested in learning Mahjong, this is Chinese Mahjong. It's way easier to learn in the beginning. And in 10 minutes you could be playing. So I'm just going to go over the basics with you right now so that you can hop onto a table and start playing. All right. There are three, suits to Mahjong. You have the barrels, these round circles. You have bamboos, it's like bamboo sticks, and you have the thousands. This character down here means thousand. Okay, so these are your main suits. And your goal is in Mahjong, is to have series of 3 of everything. We'll get into 4 of a kind later, but series of 3. So it can either be 3 of a kind, or it can be a series like 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, whatever. Okay. And your goal is to try and get sets of 3. You also have winds, north, south, east, west. And then you also have these special characters. This is just a blank piece of paper. This means fortune, and this means center. All of these can be in series of 3 or 4. Okay? But if you ever make any series of 4, let's say you have this series of 4, if you ever make a series of 4, you have to get an extra tile from the tail of the dragon, which we will explain in a little bit. So you have to go to the end, not where people are picking from, but the opposite side of where people are picking from. Because if you get a series of 4, you're going to be off in numbers unless you get an extra tile. So you're looking for sets of 3, either series or 3 of a kind. You can get 4 of a kind, and that's then you have to get an extra tile. And these are flowers. If you see these in your deck, what you're going to do right away is you're going to pull it out and just put it out in front, because these don't play, they're just points. They just give you extra points. The goal of the game is to rack up as many points as you can. And so I'm going to show you what a winning hand looks like. Let's say this was my hand and I won. So I have series, and then I also have, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to have sets of 3, like I said, whether they're series or 3 of a kind, it doesn't matter. And then at the end, you're going to have a pair of 2, and that's called your Mahjong. And this is a winning hand. All right, that's it. Really easy. And let's now go over there and I'll show you how to play the game. So this is what a fully set up Mahjong table looks like. You're going to set up your tiles like this. You're going to use this stick to help, and it's going to be 18 across. 18, 18, 18. And then everybody rolls the dice to see who goes first or who starts the game. Highest roller then starts the game, and they are Dong, east wind. We always start with the east wind. So that means I'm east. That means that person is west, that person is north, and that person is south. Okay? So you need to know what wind you are, because if you collect that wind, you get extra points for it. Or if you collect the wind of the round. Each round, every time the dice goes around back to me, we change to the next wind. All right, so I'm going first. I'm rolling. I rolled an easy one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how you count that off is 1, myself, 2, 3, 4. So that means we start with their row. And I count from the end, 2, 4. So this is the end of the dragon, the tail of the dragon. I put the dice up there to remind people this is the tail. Don't pick from here. And then I pick 4. They pick 4. This person picks 4. This person picks 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So then everybody has 12. And then the 13th tile, because I picked 2, because I'm going to start the game by discarding 1. So you got to skip like that. Then this person gets 1, that person gets 1, this person gets 1. Okay? And then we look at our tiles. And you can put them on here if you would like, or not. I'm starting the game. I have a flower. Everybody says whether they have flowers or not. And if you have a flower, you're short 1 tile, so you have to make it up. So anytime you're making up with tile or series of 4, you grab from the end. This is called the tail of the dragon. This is the head. Once everybody has picked all of their tiles and arranged them in their little holder, and all the flowers have been made up for, we can start the game. I was the dice thrower, so I have an extra tile. I have 14 instead of 13. So I'm going to start the game by discarding a west. Now this person doesn't need that west, so they're going to pick a tile. Ooh, look, they got lucky and got a flower. So when you get a flower, you just put it outside and you make up for that card the tail of the dragon, which is where the dice will be. 6,000, nice, I will keep that. I'm gonna throw this because it's too far from 6 and 8. I don't really need it. 1 barrel. And this person can use that 1 barrel. So they're gonna say chur, chur means eat. And they're gonna pick my tile to complete the series, a series of 3. A set of series. You can only complete series from the person to your left, okay? If you're doing a series and they throw something you can use, you can eat it, you can take it, say chur. You have to put it outside, you cannot bring it inside. You cannot complete a series from anybody else at the table, only the person to your left. So I completed that series by taking their tile in. Now I have to discard a tile. And I'm going to discard this. 7,000. And this person, oh, look, I can use it. Pong! I'm going to take that 7,000 because I'm taking it from the outside. It has to be placed out here. And that's called Pong. If you're completing a series of 3, you can do that from anybody at the table. If they threw a 7, they threw a 7, it doesn't matter who, you say Pong and you can take it. So series, only the person to your left. 3 of a kind, you can get from anybody, okay? So, now it's my turn to discard. I'm gonna discard 1,000. And then we're gonna come over here. And we just keep playing like that. If you have something in here, for example, I have a 7, 8, 9, you leave it inside. And it just goes towards your win. Only the things that you get from other people do you place outside. Look, 6, 7, 8, 9, you cannot do a series of 4. Series can only be 3. All right, so it's my turn. I'm gonna pick a tile and look, I have 3. So this is called a series of 4. It's called a gang. And this is a special one because these were inside, they weren't outside. I'm going to an gang, which means secret gang. So no one knows what this is. And you could be really screwing with someone because someone could be waiting for that 2 to win. And there's only 4 of each tile, so they will never win. It's called an gang. Everyone gives you a chip and it's extra points at the end. So, but whenever you gang, you have to pick a tile from the tail of the dragon to make up for the tile that you're losing because it's an extra tile. So that is your simple tutorial on how to play Chinese Mahjong. It's really very easy. If you just watch this, you'll know pretty much what's going to be happening. It gets more complex later on as we add points, but just to start playing, these are the basics. It's all you need to know. It's super fun. We encourage trash talking to make it even more fun. And it's a very lively, interactive, super fun game. So please come play.